Good morning, students. We are going to start a new chapter number 11, Human Body and Organ System, Standard 8, Subject Science. Human Body, Circulatory System. The circulatory system. In humans, the circulatory system is a combined functions of the heart and blood vessels to transport oxygen and nutrients to the organs and the tissues throughout the body and to carry away the waste products. The elements of the circulatory systems are the heart, blood vessel and the blood. Heart. The heart is a dark red colored conical structure located in the middle of the chest, slightly towards the left side. It is enclosed by a double wall of membranous sac called the pericardium. The heart is the engine of the circulatory system. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers are called left and right auricles. It is also known as atriums. And 2 lower part is known as right and left ventricles. The walls of these chambers are made up of special muscle called myocardium, which contracts continuously and rhythmically from blood. Now, functioning of the heart. 1. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. 2 pumps work simultaneously. 2. The right auricles takes in oxygen, poor blood that is impure, from the body through 2 veins, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. 3. From the right auricle, blood moves to the right ventricle and pumps it to the lungs through pulmonary artery, where it exchanges carbon dioxide for oxygen. 4. The oxygenated blood that is pure then returns to the left auricle through pulmonary veins. From the left auricle, blood moves into left ventricle. 5. Oxygen-rich blood leaves the left ventricle through the aorta. Aorta and its arteries circulate the blood to all parts of the body. Know this, average heart of man beats about 70 to 80 times in a minute. During each heartbeat, about 60 to 90 milliliter of blood is pumped out of the heart. If the heart stops pumping, death usually occurs within 4 to 5 minutes. Heartbeat. There are 2 stages in each heartbeats, the systole and the diastole. In diastole, the heart muscle relaxes and blood is turned into 2 auricles. Rising pressure in each auricle opens the tricuspid and mitral valve and blood flows into the ventricles. Each auricle contracts, filling the ventricles. During the systole stage, the filled ventricles contracts and the mitral valve and tricuspid valve, both the valves get closed and the pulmonary valves are forced to open. The blood pushes out into the arteries. Then the heart relaxes. The aortic and the pulmonary valves close and the diastole starts again. Pulse. Pulse is a rhythmic contraction of the arteries resulting into passage of successive flow of blood produced by continuous contraction of the heart. In disease, the pulse rate usually varies due to the body temperature. Blood vessels. The blood vessels are tube-like structures within which the blood circulates. The blood vessels are of 3 types. 1. Arteries. The blood vessels which carries away the oxygenated blood, that is pure blood, from the heart to different parts of the body are called arteries. They are aligned with the muscles to withstand pressure. 2. Veins. The vessels that carry deoxygenated, that is impure blood, from different parts of the body to the heart are called veins. They contains semi-lunar walls which controls backward flow of the blood. 3. Capillaries. The arteries are converted into fine tubules which are called as arterioles, and finally into the capillaries which form a network. They are the tiny link between the arteries and the veins where the oxygen and the nutrients diffuse in the blood. Differences between different blood vessels. Arteries, veins, capillaries. 1. Carry heart from other organs to the blood, to the body parts. Bring the blood to the heart from other body parts. Carry blood from arteries to veins. 2. Carry oxygenated blood. Carry deoxygenated blood. Carry both. 3. Thick muscular valves which have no walls. Thick muscular valves have valves. Very thin made up of single have no valve. Know this. The circulatory system helps maintain body temperature. Blood vessel expands to release heat, allowing us to cool down, and narrow or constrict to conserve heat. Blood. Blood is a red color fluid found in humans and other animals that provides oxygen and important nourishments to all body organs and tissues and carry away waste materials. It is a complex sticky fluid of deep red color. An average healthy man has 6 to 7 liters of blood in the body. It is continuously circulated by the pumping action of the heart. Blood consists of two main parts. 1. A liquid part of the blood called the plasma. 2. A solid part called red blood cells or blood corpuscles. Plasma. Plasma constitutes the major part of the blood, which is about 55%. It is yellowish and consists of water, salts, proteins, vitamins, minerals, hormones, dissolved gases and fats. The functions of the plasmas are 1. Plasma carries a large number of important proteins including albumin, gamma globulin and clotting factors such as prothrombin, fibrinogen and heparin. 2. It helps to regulate the water content of tissues and blood. Blood cells or blood corpuscles. Blood cells are of three kinds. 1. Red blood corpuscles, erythrocytes. Red blood corpuscles, RBCs, are small cells, biconcave discs, which are without nuclei. RBCs make up almost 45% of the blood volume. A healthy man consists about 4 to 5 million red blood cells per milliliter of blood. RBCs are composed of mainly proteins and iron compounds. It is called as hemoglobin. It captures the oxygen molecules as the blood moves towards the lungs, and it also gives red color to the blood. Their primary function is to carry the oxygen from the lungs to every cell in the body. 2. White blood corpuscles, leukocytes. The white blood corpuscles are large, white in color, nucleated structures. Their number varies from 5,000 to 8,000 per milliliter of blood. Their number increases during an infection in the body. These cells forms antibodies which kill the antigens produced by the germs in the blood. 3. Platelets, thrombocytes. The platelets are small, oval, colorless, flat and granular corpuscles which are without nuclei. At the time of the injury, they help in the clotting of blood. Functions of the blood. The main functions of the blood are: number 1. Transport of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients and hormones to all parts of the body. 2. Maintains the water balance in the cell. 3. The circulatory system increases the flow of blood